Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to automatically accept bookings in Airbnb. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you're gonna need Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Airbnb account. Now make sure you're a host, so go to bottom right corner and tap on profile. Now there you can see switch to hosting option. Tap on it. There you can see options like today, calendar, listings, messages and menu. Go to listing. There find the listing where you want to automatically accept bookings. Now open the listing and under your space you have to scroll down and find instant booked right below co-host. Once you tap on that, you can see you can turn on a small button there. Just turn it on, review the optional settings. Once you turn it on and tap on save, you're going to automatically accept bookings in Airbnb. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.